I want to break free. I want to break free. Da 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 dee 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 dee. Da 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 da. I want to break free. God knows I want to break free. I've fallen in love. I've fallen in love for the first time. This time I know it's for real. I've fallen in love. God knows I've fallen in love. Wah, 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 wah. Well, this cleaning fluid catches my throat. I put some Brute aftershaving as well. Brute 33. There's always one stubborn stain. Look at the colour difference there. When I got this carpet 10 years ago, I'm sure it said colour guarantee, or guaranteed against fading. And look at that, it was a lovely deep blue, can you see? And now it's faded to a crappy grey elsewhere. This is a shampoo, by the way, Vax. I do it every 3 months or so. Are you bored yet? Well, it's Saturday. I'll be cleaning my bike later. Yes, Laurel and Hardy. An 1855 Times newspaper. Bye for now. Ooh, cobweb.